Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to jazz up your floor plans, adding some color or texture to it. Um, so this is a model that I'm working on, or well, I already finished working on this, and I want to show you how to jazz it up. So first thing, let's say I want to start with these lines, the dimension lines. So I can basically just select click on right click on this, so say select visible in view, right, and we are all visible now. And say I'm gonna then I'll right click on any of them, click on override by element, and I think it's loading. Okay, there it is. And then I can say I can choose how I want it to appear. I can change the patterns on this. Let's say demolish lines. And when I click on apply, you can see that it changed it here. But that is not what I wanted. So I can just go back to as it was before. Yep. So I want to just change the colors, okay? Let's say I want to make all the colors orange. Apply, and there you go. I changed the colors for the color for all my my dimension lines. The next thing is, let's say, the exterior walls. Selected all instances visible in view. And I don't have this selected and that selected. All right. And maybe I'm gonna fix that. Let me just just for appearance sake, let me just do it like that. Okay, visible in view. Oh, sorry. Visible in view and that, that, and that. Okay, now I have all my exterior walls selected. And let's say I want my exterior walls to all have one color. Once again, right click on any of the selected walls, hover my mouse over override graphics in view, click on by element, and then I can come to cut lines this time around. I can change the pattern I want, but I want to focus on the color and say I want all the colors to be um this kind, RGB, blah 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 blah. I don't really, I'm not really good at colors, right? And then that does that to it. So click on OK, and then there you have it. All my external lines look like that. So if you are familiar with AutoCAD, you'll see that these things kind of start to look like AutoCAD lines. Then I can do this, and let's say visible in view. Deselect this one since I used that as my exterior walls before, and see if all my walls, all my interior walls are selected. If any of them are not selected, I can just add them now. Okay, then right click on any of them, override graphics in view by element, cut lines, color, color, and let's say I want all my internal lines to be, let's say that. All right, just blue. And apply, and that happens. You zoom in, and you can see the difference going on right there. Now let's say my doors, okay? Select doors in all instances, visible in view, and yes, all my doors are selected except these two. Um, and this one. So this is actually a door under my stairs, so it's a little bit shorter. So it's a different kind of a door. So all these doors are kind of the same kind of doors. So yeah, I'll give that one those doors a different color, and then I'll distinguish the other doors that I have not selected yet next. And let's say I want all of those doors to be, let's say, red. Okay, apply, and all those doors now look like that. Now you would realize that the door sweep did not change. I can actually change that. To show you how to do that, I'll just do it for this one. So in case you want to add that option, select the door, right click, override, and you can actually, I'm wrong, sorry about that. Select it on the keyboard, you can type VG and then scroll down to doors, click on this, and you have plan swing. You can come to the lines, click on this, and say I want my lines to also be red. Okay, okay. The cut lines also, I can make that one also red. Okay, and okay. Apply, and there you go. It changed. So you can see that all my doors that are in this view have their swings changed. But this is an option that affects every single door. But remember, the option that I talked to you early on is for just a select doors. These doors I did not select like before. They all have their sweeps changed because I am editing it in the entire view, not just the door or that particular element, but it's all doors in that view. So on my keyboard, I'm going to undo. That's Control Z to undo, and then that is gone back to normal. So that was just something to a feature just to show you. So for the bathroom doors, and then right click, override by elements, just like I did before, cut lines. And for my bathroom doors, I'm gonna make those ones, let's say pink, something like that. Oh, that's not what I wanted. No. Let's say that. Okay, yeah, that's okay. That worked fine. Okay. Uh, Actually, the colors are too close. I'm gonna change that. Let's do that one more time. Let's change it. Totally different color, totally off, not close at all. Um, okay. All right, and I have that done. Now to this door, this is a different kind of a door. Select, right click, override by element, and cut lines, color, and say I want that to be yellow. Okay, apply, and it changed as you can see on the right, and okay, and there it is. I can do that to my stairs, to my fixtures in there, to my island, to my sink, and you can just do that as you wish and just dance everything up. You know, let's do Windows next. Windows. So select in all instances, visible in view. Let's zoom out and see if everything got selected. Got that, that. Yep, I got everything selected. Can right click on any of them, override by element. We can do cut lines, color, and let's say I want that one. I already chose blue. I have green in there, I think. Yeah, I think I have green in there already. Um, let's say that. Okay. Um, you can change the weight of that, but I'll just keep it at default. Apply. Okay. And there you go. You have that changing. But notice that it happened to just the middle lines in here. So you can do it one more time. So showing something else visible in all instances, right click, element. Now I'm going to do this color that I had here was that is 026219230. Okay, cancel. Now projection lines come up here a little bit up above, maybe a little bit too much. Think right about there. Oh, maybe not. I almost had it the first time. Trying to get the color that I did the first time. Okay, I'll just stick to this. It's almost alike. All right, there you go. So the projection lines change the rest. That's the difference. So before I was doing the cut lines, but now I did the projection lines. So I'm done with the projection lines. I'm done with the cut lines. You can even do more. Say this, and then right there. Okay, apply. And you can just play around with it to see how it affects things on there. So these are pretty cool features that will help you jazz up um, what you do. Okay, and you have all the windows jazzed up, and there you go, all done. If you want to add more colors, you can just select different elements and then do the same to it, and you are good. You can even do it to these, select those tags, and then you can change the tags also. Let's say blue, okay, apply, and you can see turning blue, okay, and there it is. That is blue, that is black. Clearly see the difference. You can do it to anything that you see. You can even to the switches and the outlets. You can do it to anything at all. You can do it to the text as well. So this is just a feature that is cool to know. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Come by next week for more. Bye.